Stan Gibilisco here with a proof that 1 equals minus 1. Obviously there's something wrong with this proof, but I've never really gotten a complete and rigorous understanding of precisely which one of these steps that I will outline for you contains the flaw. So let's start out with a very simple statement that we can all accept. And that is simply the statement that minus 1 equals minus 1. Obviously, okay? Well, if that's the case, then minus 1 over 1 equals 1 over minus 1. That's equal to minus 1 right there. And that's equal to minus 1 right there. So both of these are equal to minus 1, and so they're equal, right? Now, we know for a fact that when we have equal quantities, we can take the square root of both sides and we'll get equal quantities again. So we can do that. Now, don't get all worked up about the square root of a minus 1, because that is a mathematical quantity known as an imaginary number, the unit imaginary number. If you've taken any advanced at the high school level, so-called analysis or pre-calculus, you know about this. Otherwise, just take my word for it. The square root of minus 1 has been defined, and here we have it. The square root of minus 1, the square root of minus 1. Well, when we have radicals like this, isn't it true that we can split the radicals between the numerator and the denominator? Like this. Sure we can. That is a rule of algebra that's accepted commonly. Now we can cross multiply. When we have a statement like this, we can that times that equals that times that. Let's do that. Square root of minus 1 times the square root of minus 1 equals the square root of 1 times the square root of 1. Well, what exactly is this? The square root of minus 1 times the square root of minus 1, well, that equals minus 1. You know, you're squaring the square root of something, you get minus 1. Same deal here. The square root of 1 times the square root of 1 equals the square root of 1 squared, or 1. So these two quantities here are equal. We've just shown that these two quantities were equal. So these two quantities must be equal as well. Minus 1 equals 1. Which one of the steps that I just carried out contains the flaw? Now, this isn't a puzzle that I'm throwing at you because I'm some kind of a wise guy and I just want to see how smart you are. The reason I'm doing this is because I honestly don't know how to rigorously state which of those steps is wrong and why. So please tell me, will you? Comments are open. That's why this is a vlog. Let's just have some fun. Stan Gibilisco signing off for now until next time. Or until you tell me all about this, huh? So long.